You may be pumping hand sanitizer in a non-sanitary way, but you can fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I just picked this up. It's a dispenser. And the funny thing about your dispensers, like the little pump bottles, is that you might be spreading germs when you touch the top of the pump. And I have hand soap where I pump it and it kind of squirts it all over. I hate the ones that shoot it out straight. They don't shoot it straight down into your hand where you have your hand, right? But I picked this up because I thought this would be a lot easier, a little cleaner, and quite a bit smarter looking. So what we get is this dispenser right here. Comes with some instructions. Luckily, the instructions are in English on this side here, but I just want to give you a little tour of it. It's got a nice modern design. Plastic here. Clear plastic on this side, kind of looks like a modern coffee maker. Now there's an LED indicator right here, a little rubberized nozzle that will shoot out the soap down here, and then on the top we have the button, and then we have this cap, which I think you can see just pulls off like that, and then it will pump it out of there. So what you will do here is you will add soap and then water, no higher than this max fill line, or any other mixture of anything that you can pump that's viscous enough that will work with this. So things like hand sanitizer, maybe even like a watery shampoo, those types of things. So anything that you want to make a little more convenient to dispense is probably going to work in this. But what I need to do here is actually get this powered up. This also comes out just like that for cleaning, so I can take this out. Then you want to make sure you clear this little hose down here. And then right down here, we have this cover. So this is where your batteries will go. So it's going to take 4 AA batteries. So I'm going to get those in, get some soap in here, and we'll try it out. All right, so I've got the batteries in, and what I have here is some hand soap. And as you can see, it's kind of that thick hand soap that you might expect to be in a small pump bottle like this. So I'm going to pour in some of the hand soap in here, maybe fill this up 1/5 of the way, 1/6 of the way, not a whole lot. Because what I want to do is I want to put some of this thicker hand soap in there, and then I want to fill the rest with water to water it down, to give it a really runny texture so that it's easier to pump out of there, right? But just enough so that I can lather up my hands and wash them as I need to. So I think that's about all I'm going to put in there, and now I'm going to fill the rest with water. All right, so filled up. I'm going to cap that off right there. Then I'm actually going to just short press the button up here to turn it on. LED light shows that it is on. If I want to turn it off, you long press. But now, if I put my hand under here, and what I probably need to do is prime this a little bit here because it's got to pump up some of that soap. All right, so I did it about 3 times here, and now it's coming out. So just like that, I've got soap in my hands. Look at that. How cool is that? So now I don't even have to pump it myself. I don't have to worry about spreading germs by touching other things. This will go off after a while on its own, but what I really love is that it just is, it's flashing. It's like a little robot, and yet when I need some soap, I can just get in there and soap my hands up really easy. So this is really cool, man. I dig it. So if you are using the old school stuff like this, maybe transmitting germs in the meantime, you can go new school like this, go high tech, get something that's really sleek to match your modern home. Hey, I don't know why a soap dispenser is entertaining me so much, but I love it. Hey, if you want to pick this up for yourself, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Pumping hand sanitizer out. You may be pumping hand sanitizer.